Engineers reached the bridge by boat 3 days after Katrina. What they found surprised everyone.
See this line? That is where the lake reached during Katrina. The bridge deck was under 2 feet of surge water at this point.
Mud and debris on the surface. Zero structural damage below. Pile caps seated. Beams locked. All holding. All 2,243 spans checked. Every cap seated. Every beam tied. The causeway reopened to emergency traffic within 3 weeks. It was the first road link restored into New Orleans after the storm. Without the causeway, rescue convoys would have taken hours longer through flooded surface routes. Time that people did not have. Thousands walked out. The bridge carried foot traffic for days, never designed for it, held anyway. In the aerial footage, the causeway is the only dry road connecting the city. It is everything. The approach ramps took longer to clear. Katrina hit the approaches harder than the open spans. Original 1956 piles showed zero structural compromise after Katrina. Louisiana DOTD declared Katrina a full design validation. The 1955 engineers were right about everything.
Every lesson from 1955 held. Every pile, every connection, every design decision they made without computers, Mayo, all of it survived Katrina.
Today, 42,000 vehicles cross the Lake Pontchartrain Causeway daily. It never closes for scheduled maintenance. The Greater New Orleans Expressway Commission operates the bridge, 250 staff, 24 hours a day. Maintenance runs under live traffic. Lane closures are planned down to the minute to keep flow moving during peak hours. South Shore, Metairie, Jefferson Parish. North Shore, Mandeville, St. Tammany Parish. 23 miles of open water, bridged. At mile 12, no land visible in any direction. The most complete open water exposure in American highway driving. Every mile marker and road marking is repainted on a 3-year cycle. The same crews rotate through the full bridge length. China's Jiaozhou Bay Bridge took the length record in 2011, but it crosses on viaducts, not open navigable water. The Guinness classification remains longest bridge over open navigable water.
Every long-span water crossing built after 1956 borrowed techniques from what these engineers worked out here. Every single one of them.
Emmett Harrington directed the project. He went in as an administrator. He came out as a builder. The original South End toll house was preserved when electronic tolling replaced it in 2014. A concrete footnote. Modern acoustic testing confirms pile integrity without excavation or diving. Sound waves travel through the pile and return the truth. 70-year-old precast concrete in a saltwater lake, and the signal comes back clean every time they test it. This is what engineering without a safety net looks like.